be able to start the post in the next page, what you do is you go to appearance, you click appearance. On the left hand side, you go to menu, and then you go to screen options. You click link target, you tick it, and then you go to, this is your menu. So to add anything to your menu, just click on the item and click add to menu. So I've added these things to the menu. Then for example, if I want to open tutorials to a next page, I'll click on this, and then I will click open link in a new page. Okay, I'll tick that part as well, and then I will just save it, save menu. Okay, make sure to save things. And then what I'll do is I'll go to my website, I will go to tutorials, and it will open in a new page. So if I click tutorials, it will always open in a new page. So like that I can do that, but my account, I haven't set that to my account, so it opens on the same page. Who are we is opens on the same page. Only tutorial, because I fixed like that, so it will open in a new page. So you can fix what you want to open in a new page.